So we've sequenced and edited our clips together. We've now got our news, features and themes added to each clip. I am now going to add a few extras. I have moved the movie playhead to the start of the video clip. I want to add the BBC News video and theme music to the start of my film. I have clicked on the media menu and clicked videos. I have already downloaded the BBC intro clip from Shobi that my teacher shared with me. I can now click on the video clip and music and click add. I am now using my finger to put the news video clip at the beginning. You can see it playing here on the screen. I am quickly changing the transition between the two clips to the news reporter theme, like I did earlier on. The next thing I'm going to do is called picture-in-picture effect. Click on your live reporter video clip. Look for the video of the playground or classroom that you recorded earlier. But this time don't click add. Instead, click on the three dots. Here I have a video of the playground. I am now going to click picture-in-picture. This will put one video on top of the other. As you can see, I now have a video of my playground on top of my news reporter. I can use my finger to move the video around to where I want it to start and end, and like before, I can trim the video if I need to. You can see at the moment, this video is covering half of the face of my reporter. Click on the video on the movie timeline. A yellow box will appear around it, and you will see some options appearing on the screen as shown. The first one shows 4 arrows pointing up, down, left and right. You can click on this option. You can then go over to the top picture on the screen. You can use your fingers in a pinching motion to increase the size of the picture-in-picture or decrease the size and make it smaller, as shown. You need to kind of fiddle around until you're happy with the position of the picture-in-picture. You can also drag the picture around. I have now moved it into the top left-hand corner. Underneath the 4 arrows is a rectangle shape. If you click on that, it gives the picture-in-picture a white border. You can choose if you want the border to be turned on or off. I'm now jumping to the very end of my sequence of clips that I have created so far. I am now going to use the green screen effect just like I did in weeks 1 and 2 to add the haggis jumping around in my playground. The first thing to do is add in the video of your school playground or classroom. Here the pupils at Wilton School have taken a lovely slow panoramic of the school playground. Click the add button and add it to the end. Next up, we're going to add our green screen video of the haggis that we created earlier. Find the clip of the haggis. Before you add the haggis thing using the 3 dots, you can click on the video until a yellow box appears around it. You will notice the yellow areas on the end of the video. You can see here I am sliding and shortening the video so I only have the haggis moving around in the green screen area. Because this was recorded in Sketches School, I am trying to remove any evidence of the tools that I used. When I am ready, click on the 3 dots and click Green Blue Screen. It will take a few moments, but the haggis video will now be layered onto the background image of the playground. Remember to position your playhead on the movie timeline to where you want your video to go. You can click on the green screen video and move it along by dragging it with your finger to get it to fit appropriately. As you can see, I now have my haggis appearing on top of my playground. I am quickly changing the transition between the last clip so it has that news effect as can be seen. When I now click on play, you can see the haggis is now appearing in the school. You can now use the audio sound effects to add in some sound effects for the haggis if you wish to, like you were shown in week 1 and 2. Additionally, you can use the voice recorder to record any extra dialogue for your news report. The final step is to save your news report by clicking Done, naming your file. Click the upload arrow which points up from the box. You can change the size of your video so it's a little bit smaller by clicking options if you want to, and then simply click Save Video.